morning, guys. First of all, welcome to Fairmont Maldives, and today I'm giving you an Arabic experience. It is a very traditional breakfast we have. We call it food. It's very simple and got very few ingredients, which is the garlic, onion, tomato. This is the tahina paste that we are famous with. Some freshly squeezed lemon and olive oil. We start with. So we just start with a little bit of garlic. As you know, this is the breakfast. It shouldn't have a strong garlic flavor. See the garlic going to a golden color. Now, light golden color. I drop my onion and then go again. Get parsley too. Right. Now the onion is in a good condition. This is my tool. That's it. So now we let it cook a little bit in a slow fire. So we don't want to dry it out. We just want to cook bean. Now we need to mash, let's say 50-60% of it. We need to mash it with a spoon. And then we keep some also whole pieces so you can still feel the eating food. It's beautiful cooking from here, yeah? All right. Right, we just need to dry a little bit this water, like another minute. This dish is 100% full of protein. Especially also for the vegetarian people, this would be an amazing choice. Now we go tahini paste. Not so much, as tahini paste is too strong. As you can see, it becomes creamy texture. Now we drop tomato, some olive oil while we're cooking, give very good flavor. And throw the salt. Black pepper. Now, open the plate. And we will come with some parsley. Olive oil. Then enjoy.